What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to T-Liska 10 Adventures. We're here with another mod today. We're going to be giving the Tahoe a little bit of juice. What are we going to be using today? Superchips. This is part number 2714. Max Micro Tuner, increases horsepower torque. This is setting for 0405 GM V8 gas engines only. The 4.8, the 5.3, the 6 liter, and the 8.1. My Z71 is a 5.3, so we're going to go ahead and install it. There is 3 performance mods. There is the 87 octane mod that gives you a little bit of ponies, the 91 performance mod that gives you more, and then there is a tow mode. We're going to be installing the 87 mod just because I don't daily drive this thing that much, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, the install, and what kind of difference it makes. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, super easy. 2 little pins like old school computer is going to tie in right there. One thing you have to do if you do have the OnStar, and I'm going to show you, you need to pull out your info fuse. This explains it in the instructions. So if we look at the diagram right here, info, that is OnStar. So if you pull that out, it will deactivate your OnStar, and you'll be able to install the Superchips. Something has to do with communications of it, so we'll go ahead and uninstall it. So that's your OnStar deactivation. Then you're gonna go and get your plug. Gonna plug this bad boy into your OBD2 port. All right, let's go through the settings. Okay, begin with ignition off. Okay. Please wait. So we're not going to go and mess with the turn ignition on and do not start engine. So you're going to put it on the on position. So ignition is on. And I'm going to turn off my AC and shut off my radio too. Make sure your battery is fully charged because you don't want this on you. Tune vehicle. And we're not going to mess with the shift patterns. Superchip has its own shift patterns. There's rev limiter. There's also a way to put your tire size on and your gear ratio size on. So we'll mess with all that as well on top of the install. Okay, we're back guys. It takes about maybe 5 minutes for it to save the stock programming. So what you see there is all the little asterisks are saving your stock program. So that way it's going to flash the new drive onto there, so it saves your stock one. So pretty cool, neat little device. It also has a diagnostic, so if you have a check engine light, it'll pull the codes for you as well. I did pick this up used. Off my buddy actually, who was selling his Avalanche, so it worked perfect. So cool, stock save. We're gonna push this. So there's performance, 87, and towing performance. So we're gonna go with the 87. Yes. Edit custom options. Yes, because adjust, and yes to save. So gear size, perfect. So Z71 has 373 stock gears, so perfect. Tire height. So this is cool if you're running 33s, the speedometer, all that stuff calibrates for it, as well as, I'm sure, the gearing when you plug it in. So my Tahoe has 35.5, I believe. Let's double check. I'm always changing these things. What is it? 35, 12.5, so. So we're gonna go tire height, 35s. Okay, yes. Shift points, minimum, shift points, Superchips, and maximum. We're gonna leave it on Superchips shift points. So that's their possible for first through second gear, second through third gear as well, shift points. So we're gonna leave it on Superchips. Again, third through fourth, you could change that. I'm just gonna leave it on Superchips, what they want. Okay, speed limiter. You can raise it or leave it stock. We'll raise it, sure. Yes. Rev limiter, I'm gonna leave it stock. Again, this isn't a race car or nothing like that. So, view custom options, no, because we already did that. And then accept custom tune, yes. So now it's gonna be updating it and flashing your new tune in. Again, you needed to remove that stuff in the beginning, program vehicle, yes. Again, it's very, very critical that you have a full charge battery, hook up a tender to it or anything, because you do not want this to fail when it's installing. Okay, now it's establishing communications, and when we come back, it should be flashed in. Okay guys, we're back. Here is the tune done. So obviously it'll say completed, tuning installed, turn ignition off. So we're gonna go turn the ignition off and then push thing to continue. Please wait. Probably finishing up some touches to it. And then here's your OBD2 port, so it's super easy. Luckily it's right there on top. So remove the 2714 max tuner and start vehicle. So that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and just unplug it, lose its power. Again, don't forget to put back your fuse for the info. Pops right in there. Stay tuned also guys for my next video, dual battery setup in the Tahoe. Put your cover back on. Alright, so let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. Nice, started back up right away. You might get a little crazy idle issue in the beginning, but don't let that phase you. Again, that's just due to the computer basically relearning its throttle positioning and all that stuff. So it might go idle, high idle, let idle a little bit, nothing crazy. Probably takes about 50 miles or so for the tuner to fully be programmed. So again, just bear with it, it will learn it. So yeah, I'll drive about 100 miles and then I'll post another video on how the performance is and just drivability of it, okay? All right, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.